We started the previous project in such a way that we chose to create a parametric part and began a new project in the part design module. Then, wanting to create a sketch, we clicked the Create Sketch icon and selected the sketch plane. We created a sketch, and this is the correct way to start a project in the part design module. But as I mentioned at the beginning, FreeCAD has a modular structure, and the Sketcher module is also available here. We can select this module, and now, if we want to create a sketch, an error appears here. We will do it like this. I select this project and choose to create a sketch. Here, we can select the sketch plane. Let's choose the XY plane, and we can create a sketch. We will draw any geometry here. For example, I select drawing a circle. To draw a circle, we define the center of the circle and the diameter of that circle. At this point, it doesn't matter much. For drawing the circle, we will come back to it. We right-click to cancel the circle drawing command, close the sketch, and so we have created a sketch. Let's switch to the part design module. And now, based on this sketch, let's add a pad. As you can see, we cannot add a pad, and this is because this sketch is not inside the body. At this stage it may not be entirely clear, but this error that the object doesn't belong to the active body often appears among beginner users. I just want to show you that such an error can occur, and this error arises from the fact that the sketch doesn't belong to a body object, and the body object represents a single solid. First, a body object must be created, and then inside this object we create sketches and add operations to create 3D shapes. To have this sketch in the body object, we can drag this sketch into that object, and now this sketch is inside that body. Based on this sketch, we can create a 3D solid. We will come back to this. At this stage, I just wanted to show you that such an error can occur, and it most often arises from the desire to perform some operation to create three-dimensional solids based on a sketch that is not inside a body object. We will end here. As I mentioned, we will come back to this, and now we will move on to the next lesson and return to the previous example.